Hey guys, hello, how are you all? Today we are going to make a very special tea that is for winter special, and you can consume it whenever you are suffering from cold and cough. Okay, so what we need for that, we need 5-6 cloves, 8-9 black pepper, this is cinnamon stick, and this is ginger. Always remember, while buying ginger, don't buy which looks very clean, because they used to clean it by acid. So buy this type of rough looking ginger. And this is the secret of my energy. Actually, I am a tea lover and I use this red label natural care. It already have all these things. See, ashwagandha, mulethi, tulsi, cardamom and ginger. Okay, so I'm making tea for two. So I already have put 1 cup of water in my pan. So what I will do, I will take 1 cup of water and the equal amount of milk. See, when it will start boiling, first I will crush all these things together. I will not crush cinnamon stick, I will just crush ginger, black pepper and cloves through this special thing. So once the water will start boiling, I will add every masalas first, and then tea, then milk, and when everything will start boiling, boiling properly, when you can actually smell everything out of it. So then after switching off this, we will start a wonderful rich of iron jaggery into this chai. You can call it a kaadha also. My mother used to give this kaadha to us whenever we used to have cold and cough in our childhood days. See, the water is now started boiling, so I have added all the crushed ginger, black pepper and cloves. And now I will add cinnamon sticks. Boil it properly so that it can leave their essence to the water. Wait for 1 minute. So this is my tea. You can see everything inside there. I will put 2 teaspoon of tea into this water, boiling water. As you can see, it is boiling very well, and I can smell everything out of this water. Oh, I'm sorry. So now what we will do, we will add this milk into it. See, you can see I have this cough problem since long. Actually, it stopped raining here in Chennai, but from last more than 1 week it started again, and it's raining like anything now. So we have little problem of cold and cough. So yes, beta. Oh, I'm coming, beta. 1 second. 1 second. Give me a second. Oh, I'm just coming, my darling. So always remember one thing, that don't boil tea, don't boil much after adding the milk. Okay, it is harmful for health. And I have some tips to share. Whenever you are consuming milk tea, always remember to consume 1 full glass of water just before consuming, or 5 to 10 minutes before consuming the tea, so that actually tea used to get gastrics. So the water, if you will consume 1 full glass of water before consuming the tea, it will reduce the problem which can occur after having this milk tea. So at least one boil should come. Then what we will do, we will stain the tea into this cup, and then after staining we will add jaggery into it. And the amount of jaggery, you can add how much you want. So guys, this is the wonderful heavenly cup of winter special tea, which you can consume whenever you have cough and cold, anytime in the year. Please enjoy. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have any query, so please comment down below. Thank you so much. Have a great day.